Hey guys, in this video I got an interesting list for you about Canadian stocks from the Toronto Stock Exchange and the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange of the top price performing stocks in the last 30 days. Something to be aware of and kind of wrap your head around if these are companies that you might be interested in buying. So these are basically companies that have totally beat the TSX average and are the top 50 companies that we see here in terms of their last 30 days performance. So some familiar ones in here might be Waste Connections. There's lots of ones. I hold Waste Connections, and then there's a few others in here. All 50, I hold Metro as well. And Dollarama is something I've been looking to get into, but I never really bite the bullet on them. I hold Alimentation Couche-Tard and Fortis and BCE. So lots of good stocks in here. But you can see that we have they have the change in dollars. So let's actually grab all of this and pull it into a spreadsheet because I want to find out what the percent change is in the last 30 days on any of these positions. So I got it in here in a spreadsheet, and if we have the dollar, like here we have the dollar change over 30 days, that's way bigger than these other ones, but it's because the price is way bigger. So we just need to find out what the price was 30 days ago, and to do that we just take today's price and we subtract the change, and we can autofill that down. And then all we need to do is the percent change in 30 days, and we're just going to divide the change divided by the price 30 days ago and drag that down, and then set all of this with a percentage so we can see the percent change on all of these, and we see a few different things going on here. And now what I would do is I would sort this, so I would turn on a filter and sort this to put the biggest values at the top, and here we see, like, in the last 30 days this one just exploded 66%, and this isn't even a penny stock. I've never even heard of this. Beta Pro Natural Gas Inverse Leverage Daily Bear ETF, whatever that is. We gotta make some more space here. But that's a pretty massive gain. This is on the TSX, I think. We'll just double check that in a second. Either that or the TSXV. 42% in the last 30 days. That's massive. We even see some crypto stuff showing up in here for 22%. Lots over 20%, and so that's awesome to see in here. This is just one way to think, to do some research about stocks that you might be interested in buying. Now, it might be too late on some of these, who knows? But if you want to ride that, these are like Loblaws. They're just pretty solid. They're always going up. Metro, Fortis, like I said, BCE, some good gains in here, but nothing close to 66%. That's crazy. But this did preserve the links. So if we actually just jump back to the TMX website, then we're going to see here. Yes, it was down like 8% in the last day, but in the last 30 days it was up whatever 60%, so like pretty volatile, but also just an interesting way to learn about new stocks, because like I said, I had never even heard of this one before, and it's just absolutely crushing it in the last 30 days. So this list is pretty interesting. Like I said, it doesn't include the percent change over 30 days. You have to calculate that yourself, but you can see it's pretty easy to do so. And definitely something to consider. These stocks are definitely on the move, and are all either listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange or the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange. So for everyone up in Canada, pretty easy to get your hands on these if you're interested. So I'll leave a link here on the screen where you can see how easy it is to actually just buy stocks right from your phone or your computer in Canada.